Sorry.
Whoa, why you laugh? That's the classic.
What the hell? Oh my god. Yo, what's up? So today it was raining in Ubud actually, and
we're going to Uluwatu. We plan to watch sunset or at least chill, maybe eat some pizza.
yeah.
But first of all, it's cloudy, so I'm not sure if it will be sunset. And second thing, as this huge traffic like before, like nothing happened, like with snow, like
Yeah.
1 year ago.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure if we're not gonna be late.
Yeah, we are still in a bypass in Sanur in Denpasar actually. We just out from home and look at this. The traffic is back. Oh la la. So how long we will take to Uluwatu today?
Yeah, normally it's 45 minutes, but normally during the conditions like this is 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
So
What sort of doll is it?
that's Pikachu on the street. What the? We are in Japan now. Oh, so funny. Alright, we arrived to the famous single fin in Uluwatu.
We are in Blue Point Beach.
Blue Point, but we're
Or
gonna go to
Sullivan.
single fin. The bar is called single fin. Yeah, that's right. And it's quite busy here. I mean, it's quite a bit more people than usual when I was here. Actually, we will see how's the crack over here. And
And the
yeah.
car park is full.
as you can see, actually, it's quite busy. Quite busy. Single fin, let's go having pizza or something. A beautiful sunset over there. Alright, so we just arrived and this is first time during this crap as there's no space for me. So funny. But yeah, that's good actually. Good to see traffic here.
All right. So, oh my God!
It's really
Look at the traffic. Oh dear, where are they coming from? Hello. All right. So, because it was so busy, super duper busy in Singlefin, and even we didn't have any space to have a dinner, so we decide to go to Jimbaran mall.
Because it's brand new mall, actually, not really.
Yes.
Like they opened last year, the
Yeah.
mall in Jimbaran. We never been there, so it's opportunity to go to mall. We'll see what we can eat there.
Yeah, let's see. Oh my God, when we will get there? Look at this.
Yeah, I hope so. We're gonna arrive before they close. Because
Yeah.
once I remember I was in Singlefin long time ago, and I back to home at 10 o'clock because it was 3 hours in the traffic jam. So I hope so it's not like this today.
Okay, let's see. Oh my God, Uluwatu traffic is back.
People coming back from the sunset and Uluwatu temple, Kecak dance and stuff like
Yeah.
this. So it's basically come back kind of to normal. Have to say, maybe not really, but kind of.
So we arrive in the Jimbaran mall. It's called Sidewalk Jimbaran. So we arrive in Sidewalk Jimbaran mall. Nice. Oh, they have a gourmet market, and they have a mall. I mean, like in the mall, they have a what is it? Cinepolis. That is cinema.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Some decorations.
Ah, Christmas decoration. Let's see. Let's find a car park. So we are in the underground car park.
It's quite busy.
It's quite busy. Alright, so we already inside the mall. We will see what we will do here.
I don't
But
know.
first of all, I need to eat. I'm starving actually.
We have to eat.
Yeah.
Oh, nice Christmas tree with reindeer. Nice decoration still. Okay, let's find some food, yeah?
Yeah. Alright, so we are in the mall and we are in the one Chinese restaurant on the top, on the second floor. So just close by the cinema. So Damian said he decided to try the very Chinese food, like original Chinese, because he's thinking after all back to normal, he's going to Wuhan and making a vlog. So he need to used to with the Chinese food.
That's true story. I really wanna go there when everything is come back. My vlogs will be super cool, I believe so. Nice.
So yum. How is your dumpling?
Hot, but very nice. Very nice, really nice.
How is it?
Beef is very nice.
But seafood.
What do you have, honey?
Kway teow seafood.
So eventually the food is just so yeah.
food. They're using wood chopsticks.
Winnie get little bit pissed off because she wait almost 1 hour for the kway teow. And you know, waiting so long it can be make a pissed off. I believe you will be also a little bit disappointed. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah. However, at least we try something different. Next time pizza. Alright, so after we trying to eat Chinese food, that mission failed, totally failed. Look at Winnie, she don't even, it's a really bad mood. I still have quite far way to go home. Anyway, buying coffee, so we'll be fine.
Oh my god, it's so spicy actually. Okay, so I think that's all our video today, and then this is how it is nowadays in Uluwatu and Jimbaran area. Thank you guys for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Honey, cheer up lah.
Let's go home.
Honey, that's only Chinese food now.